Welcome back to The Life of Amy June. I honestly can't believe we're already heading into February, the second month of 2026. January always feels like this big reset month, and February is where things start to get real. The motivation either sticks or it fizzles out. February can be a little quieter, but also a little heavy. Winter fatigue, shorter days, and trying to stay consistent with the goals we set just a few weeks ago. So today, I'm walking you through exactly how I plan my February step by step to stay focused, organized, and calm, without putting pressure on myself to do everything. This routine helps me manage my businesses, my family, and my life without burning out, and I hope it helps you do the same. Now, let's get into it. Step one is going to be a no big shocker if you've been here for a while, and that is to brain dump everything. The very first thing I always do is a good old-fashioned brain dump. I get everything out of my head and onto paper. This includes upcoming deadlines, launches, client work, YouTube ideas, Valentine's Day plans, school events, appointments, personal goals, literally anything taking up mental space. Once everything is on paper, I start grouping things into categories. And oftentimes I do this at the same time. Instead of making one big long list, I make my list into these categories. That helps me save time. But if you are new at doing this, and when I first started, I would make a list and then I would categorize it, whatever works easiest for you. For me, that's Luxxe Marketing and client work, my own brands like Amy June Lashes, Luxxe Mani, Productivity Prism, and this YouTube channel. And then of course, family and personal. This step alone helps me instantly see where my energy needs to go this next month, and where I might need to simplify or simply say no. Step 2, monthly calendar setup. Next, I move into my monthly calendar. I always start with my non-negotiables: school schedules, meetings that can't be moved, launches, family plans, and of course, Valentine's Day. February is also shorter, which means every week matters just a little bit more. Seeing it all laid out helps me avoid overcommitting and accidentally stacking too much into one week. Then I plug in my YouTube content so it doesn't fall through the cracks. I'm still aiming for consistent posting, and mapping it out visually keeps me accountable without feeling overwhelmed on top of my full-time businesses. Quick reminder, if you're only planning day to day, you're missing the big picture. Monthly planning helps you stay intentional instead of reactive. This is where I look at what needs to happen for my brands for this month, whether it's a Valentine's campaign, email updates, content batching, or just some back-end work. Seeing everything together helps me make smarter decisions instead of scrambling mid-month. Next, I like to add a little fun touch, which is just something that I do in my monthly spreads. I don't do this in my weekly or daily, besides using highlighters or colored pens, but back in the day, I did have an Etsy sticker shop, and I still have this little itch to create and make sticker sheets. So I do have 2 bundles available right now on productivityprism.com. I have a Valentine's Day set as well as a spring set. I'm almost finished with the summer one, and then that will go up, as well as some productivity stickers and cleaning checklist type stickers and things like that. If there are any requests you have, please let me know in the comments. And I am selling these in bundles just so you aren't paying for shipping for one sticker sheet. I definitely want to make it worth your while, and I appreciate your support so much in advance. But adding these little touches just makes me feel good. Honestly, planning should feel enjoyable and not clinical. And these actually make me happy to come back to my monthly spread often. Step 3, zoom into the first week. Once my month feels clear, I zoom into the first week of February. This is where things get practical. I go back to my brain dump and ask, what actually matters this week? I use my top 3 method to choose 3 weekly priorities that will genuinely help me move the needle forward, whether it be home tasks or just my regular business goals. I also set up my week. If you've seen my full weekly plan with me videos, then you know this is how I do it. And I can also leave a link to one of my full weekly planning videos down below so you can see that, since this is just a brief overview. But I do like to set up my daily pages, and I put in any time-sensitive tasks. I do not do my to-do list until the night before. I do not do my block schedule except for the locked-in time-sensitive tasks until the morning of. I also set up my top 3 and daily goal the morning of as well. Step 4, monthly focus and reflection. Before I wrap up planning, I set a monthly focus for February. January is all about momentum. February is about consistency and self-trust. This month's focus might be something like stay steady, simplify, or even love where you are. And not just romantic love, loving your routines, your boundaries, your progress, even if it's imperfect. I also briefly reflect on January, what worked, what did not, what habits actually stuck, and what's one small thing I can carry into February to make life easier. Maybe it's to continue planning my dinners ahead of time, batching content, or protecting my evenings just a little bit more. As we step into February, I want you to think about this. What's one thing your future self will thank you for by the end of this month? Maybe it's staying consistent when motivation dips. Maybe it's slowing down and enjoying your routines. Maybe it's pouring a little extra love into your home, your health, or yourself. Planning isn't about perfection. It's about creating a life that feels manageable and aligned. If you enjoyed planning with me today, please hit that like button so I know to keep making videos like these. And don't forget to subscribe for more planning, productivity, and small business routines. And if you want to plan right alongside me, check out my Productivity Prism Planner, available in both paper and digital versions. I'll link everything down below. Here's to a calm, intentional, and love-filled February. Let's keep going, one focused month at a time. I will see you guys in my next video really soon. Bye!